Welcome to Cracking Code with Dave. Let's talk about basic switch statements in Swift. Switch statement where it really shines is when you have just a few things you want to check for. Or like when I think of switch statements, it's going to switch between certain predefined. Here, let me just show you. I'll just show you what a switch statement is. All right, let's say that you've got this thing and it's a name. And let's say the name is currently set to Dave. Let's switch between this name. So you type switch, and we're switching based on this variable. It might change, but if the case is that the name is Dave, then print oh, hi, Dave. Now the default is like anything else. Who this? There's a basic switch statement. So switch, and then the variable it takes in, you do the curly brace dance, and then case, if the case is Dave, colon, or semicolon, colon, print, oh hi Dave. And the default value is like if it's anything else. Now, let's put in some other cases there. Let's put, if the name is Spock or Bones. And we'll put in some print statements that correlate to that. Now, so now you see it's printing, oh hi Dave, because my name is Dave up here, but if we change the name to Bones, for instance, Bones! Exclamation point. One problem with this particular switch statement that I've got going is what if you don't capitalize it? Bones. Then it's like, who's this? So maybe in this case we might do, because it's a string, it's got some extra functionality, like we can do lowercase ed. So you do string dot lowercase, and then your cases should be, so then the things you're checking it against should be lowercase too. Now it should find Bones regardless of if it's capitalized or not. See? So just something to consider when making a basic switch statement. This basic switch statement using a string. You can also use ints and whatnot. You know, this particular switch statement is not very powerful because if you put in something like Dave Levy, it's going to be like, who's this? It has to match this case exactly. So you would probably write some extra code here. Where the switch statement really shines is when you have enums. So the next video I'm going to post is going to be a switch statement in Swift using enums. Enums are like in web design, an enum, I think about an enum like a drop-down menu. There's only a certain number of items you can select, and it's either north, south, east, or west, or it's up, down, left, right. Okay, and that's where cases I think really shine. So check out the next video also. But this is your basic switch statement, and I'll probably make a switch statement using ints also, so you can check ints between certain ranges. Pretty handy. All right, take care.